He's like a snake in the grass, ready to strike at any moment. He injects fear in all of those who dare come near. But in his eyes, he's a beautiful angel with a voice that could soothe a baby.
Maybe I'm an open book because I know you're mine, but you won't need to read between the lines to see what no one else can see. No one's breaking free for your eyes.
Where's the X Factor button?
Oh, wow!
I really don't know what to say, Fritzy. The Dan Patrick Show starts right now.
Whoa.
That was great.
Thank you.